Look, if your After Effects timeline feels like it's fighting you every time you hit the spacebar, it's probably not your computer, it's your configuration. Most of us are running 2026 software on 2010 default settings, and that's a recipe for a crash. I'm going to show you how to actually optimize this beast so it stays snappy, even on heavy 4K comps. And if you're seeing unlicensed app errors or constant crashing, that's usually a broken install. I've put the official Adobe link in the description so you can grab a clean, stable 2026 trial for $0 and follow this tutorial. First things first, let's talk about how AE uses your actual hardware. You want to head straight into project settings and make sure Mercury GPU acceleration is toggled on. This is the difference between your CPU doing all the heavy lifting and your graphics card stepping in to handle the pixel math like blurs and glows. While you're in there, jump over to Memory and Performance. You'll see a setting for RAM reserved for other apps. Crank that down as low as it goes. You want After Effects to be greedy. If Windows tries to steal RAM back while you're mid-render, that's exactly when you get those out-of-memory freezes. Now, to make the timeline feel live, look for the new HPPP, High Performance Preview Playback, in your preview preferences. This is a total game changer for 2026 because it uses your lightning-fast NVMe SSD as a virtual RAM buffer, which lets you preview way more frames than your physical RAM usually allows. To keep that playback smooth, set your composition resolution to Auto. This stops AE from rendering pixels you can't even see when you're zoomed out, which instantly cuts your processing load by about 70%.
If you've ever had your playhead hang when you try to preview, it's usually an audio conflict.
Go to Audio Hardware and swap your device class to MME. It sounds small, but it prevents AE from waiting on a stuck audio driver that won't talk to your headphones. Finally, let's talk cache. Don't let your cache sit on your C drive. It creates a bottleneck where your PC is trying to run the OS and write temporary video files at the same exact time. Move that cache to a dedicated SSD, and your snappiness will double overnight. Apply these, and I promise you'll stop dreading your render queue. If your version is still acting up despite these fixes, do yourself a favor. Wipe it. Use the official trial link below to get a fresh start and see how the 2026 engine is actually supposed to run. Hit subscribe for more deep dives in tech, and I'll see you in the next one.